When given an exponential equation, it is possible to convert it to a logarithmic equation. We can do this using the fact that y equals b raised to the x is equivalent to x equals log base b of y. All we're doing is taking the base of the exponential b and making it the base of the log, and then we're just taking x and y and just switching them. That's all we're really doing. We're switching from an exponential to a logarithmic. So we're going to change each exponential statement to the equivalent log statement. And we're going to start off with 9 equals 3 squared. So I'm going to kind of write out specifically what they are just so you can see it clearly. I can see that 9 is my y, 3 is my base b, and x here is 2. So I now know what each one is from the form of the exponential, and now I'm going to plug it into the form of the logarithmic. So x first, so that's going to be 2, equals log base b, so the base is 3, so log 3, and then y, which is 9. And that's all you do. That is the equivalent log statement for this exponential. So we're going to do it again. 3 to the x equals 4.4. Just going to kind of clearly write out what everything is one more time. So my y here is going to be the number off, the thing off to its own, which is 4.4. My base again is going to be b, so b here is 3. And then my x for my exponent is going to be x. So that works out pretty well. And now I'm going to plug it into my logarithmic statement, and I'm going to get x equals log base 3, again, of 4.4. And again, that's all you do. Now we have e to the x equals 7. So first thing I'm going to do is, even though it's an e, it's okay. We're not going to worry about it, even though it's a letter. It still is a representation of a number. It's my base, so I'm going to say that this is log base e, and then I'm going to take x and 7 and just switch them. So it's going to be log base e of 7 equals x. And this is a good place to stop here. This is a correct answer, but because it's log base e, we can take it one step further. We can say that this is ln 7 equals x. So log e can change to ln. So both are technically the correct answer, but most often reducing it to ln is the preferred path. And here we have a to the third equals 2.5. I see my base here is a. What is a? Doesn't really matter. It's the base. So I'm going to say that this is log base a, and I take 3 and 2.5, and I just switch them. So log base a of 2.5 equals 3. And that is the logarithmic statement for this exponential.